Hello, Carmen Molitor with the Pinnacle Team at RE/MAX Properties with the local real estate market update for the fourth quarter of 2025. So we ended the year with more active inventory. We're actually up 13.34% at 2,800 and some change for active units. Our month supply was also up 9.35% with 3.12 months supply. Our units sold was up as well. We sold 11,788 units. That was an increase of just a little bit, 3.65% from the prior year. Our average sales price was down. It was down 2.66% at $531,469. Our median price was also down $460,000. That was a decrease of 5.15%. What's not factored into those numbers or shown in the data is what we call seller concessions. It's pretty common for sellers to pay upwards of 2% towards the buyer's closing costs, prepaids, and rate buy down. So really we've seen a bit more erosion in the market than the median and average sales price would suggest. And we're seeing about 98% offer or sales price rather to list price. So the 100%, over 100% really hasn't been a thing for a while. And so 98% is pretty normal, and it's taking about 65 days for houses to sell. We're still, believe it or not, short on inventory at 2,800 units. Most of the year last year, at least the second half of the year, we were in the mid to high threes and even into the 4,000 active units. And I'm expecting that we'll see that again as we get into our selling season. It's pretty normal to have lower inventory in December and January just because of the holidays and the weather, etc. Hoping that we'll continue to see rates come down. They were really stubborn the last couple of years in the 6.5% range, and we're actually seeing some rates recently down into the 5s for VA and FHA and a flat 6% for conventional, so that's encouraging. And so I'm excited about this next year. If you want to sell your house right now, there's not a lot of competition. There's also not a lot of buyers. If you're wanting to buy, there's not a lot of competition, but there's also not a lot of inventory to choose from. So if you want to talk to any of us about your specific situation, we'd be happy to help. And as always, really appreciate your support, your referrals, and your business. Thank you so much, and Happy New Year.